My all topics you will find related to either mental health, mind, or energy. It's very interesting and magical. So, today I'm going to talk about an energy. It's called clarity. What is clarity? How it works in our life? Clarity brings efficiency in life. The more clear you are, life becomes easy. Once clarity is there in your mind, everything seems confident and almost done stage. Clarity means to be clear, knowing the knowledge, considering unknown as darkness, where clarity defines light or knowledge. So, this is as simple as we think. As I said, knowledge is light and unknown is darkness. There is the answer actually. Our energy bodies like astral body, mental body, emotional body, financial body, etheric bodies and all are mixture of different kind of energies. What kind of energy? As we know, energy is everywhere within us also. This body has many relations on earth, but why do we need to be clear? Clarity works wonder. It's the magic tool. It's better for our mental health, as what we do, it's set in our action, behavior, personality. This is how it become our character, our life, thus our destiny. Many times, what we want in life, we don't know. And what we want in our life, we don't do it. Or we cannot. But we don't start from self. But if we don't start from self, how can we expect from others to behave same? So, if I want clarity from world, I should give clarity too. What energy you want from outside, you need to create that energy also from inside. That is how inner side and outer side it will be balanced. So, clarity means to be clear, to know. I believe in today's world, everyone hides. Hiding is the name of an energy. We don't clear things. Things remains as it is. For not being clear, many relations doesn't work. People suffer in their mind. Over a period of time, they ended up with carrying diseases like mental illness, arthritis, asthma, high blood pressure, diabetes, and many more diseases. But this small yet powerful energy, clarity, works wonder and can demolish all mental negativity at the starting point. Any relation, what is valuable to you, make it clear every possible things. Clarity has immense positivity that brings enormous confidence, endless love of feeling, protection feeling, and no space of misunderstanding at all. When you step into confidence, when things are very clear to you, that is how your voice will raise automatically in public. How clarity works in character building. When you do any kind of work, it starts. It's set up with your subconscious mind too. If you are thinking good thoughts automatically will be around you. If your energy body is clear. But it depends on the layers of the negativity and the knowledge of the person or his or her energy body. His mind will respond. It's a vast theory that how to control mind. I'll talk about it also in my upcoming videos. But by doing small change in life, actually you are going to make a huge change in life. What we think, it shows in our action. Action turns into behavior. Behavior reflects in our personality. Personality builds our character. over a period of time, it will be our own energy. And every positive thinking and a magical power will always be with you. You can feel you're in an authoritative mode, or you can feel as something is around you. By adding clarity in your life, you are also getting the power of confidence, truthfulness, bravery, happiness, and satisfaction, which is very, very important in life. So from now, don't just live with clarity. Clear every matter. Clarity will give you that life with more power, with more love, with more truth, with more efficiency in life. Believe me, clarity needs positive mind. You believe and it's yours. Thank you.